Kyle Bratcher from Chaparral Motorsports here with Justice today. We're here in the HotBodies booth. Now, HotBodies has been around for a long time. You guys really cater to like the sport bike market, making bikes look good. Can you tell us a little bit about HotBodies and kind of what you guys are doing today?
Yeah, 18 years. We'll be celebrating 20 years in 2020. Exclusively sport bike all the way through. Stayed true to our colors there.
Hey, Travis, he says your Grom is a sport bike.
Yeah, small displacement, 300s, 500s, the Ninjas. These are real sport bikes right now. Everyone, they're buying the same exact accessories that you would buy on your Gixxer 1000s or your R1s as well. It's crazy.
That's epic.
Yeah, we're loving it. Small displacement, I think, is going to be like the future for us. If they're anything like me, I got a 400 as my first bike, wring the neck out of it, and before you know it, the very next year I bought a Gixxer 750. So I love seeing how many of these small displacement bikes are out there. And the accessory boom for the small bikes is awesome right now too, especially that Grom, which is a sport bike we're looking at right now.
It's super cool. So what are some of the most common accessories that you guys offer?
Well, the Undertails is what we're well known for. That started back in 2000 with the Undertail. We've made even smaller versions, fender eliminators, which are like miniature Undertails, great bargains right there. MGP exhaust is probably one of the most exciting things. It creates one of the most biggest revenue and exciting booms for our Tuckeraki reps and their parts managers as well. So, and what that is, the MGP line is kind of our extension of all these different hard parts. So rear sets, levers, frame sliders, exhaust. This is just another extension of stuff we think that matches the HotBodies brand.
So as far as like your top 5 or 10 bikes, what are the bikes you guys cater to the most?
Oh my goodness. The new GSX-R 1000 is probably our hottest bike right now. It's our #1 selling Undertail. And if I looked at all the products as a whole, per bike, right now the Gixxer 1000 is one of the strongest. Exhaust-wise, Honda CBR 300s and 500s, really big right now. Honda Grom, just about everything that we make for it is going out the door on that bike as well. Yeah, there's so many great bikes this year to work with. I mean, BMWs, S1000RRs, the new R1. I mean, it's so exciting, you don't know which one to buy at this point, but all the great products are out there for it.
There you go. If you've got a sport bike, HotBodies is a brand you need to take a look at. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe.